What? Talk to everybody. Come on. What do you want to say, Gabby? It's okay. You can tell us. What is it? Smile for everybody. Come on, baby. You're so pretty. Hello. Hi. What? What is it? What is it? Kuya. This video is for Nanay. The reason why we're taking this is because we want Nanay to see it. Okay? Don't cry. Okay. Alright.